Morning, everyone. Today we're gonna learn something interesting. Actually, without these things, we can't live in today's generation. But in early days, people lived without these. But today, in the generation, we can't live. What are the things? Can you guess by seeing this picture? Today, what we are going to learn is it's electricity. About electricity only. Today, we are going to learn. Okay, electricity. Actually, you people have already learned many things about electricity. Yeah, you have learned many topics which is inside the lesson electricity. Today we're gonna see a small topic about what any guesses. Yes, here actually there is a connection. Can you connect these two? One is letter and the one is word. Can you connect these two things and tell me what's the topic is? S. It's cell. Today we're gonna see about cell. Actually, cell is of two types. One is primary cell and the other is secondary cell. Actually, primary cell is also known as a dry cell. Today we're gonna see about a dry cell. What does mean by dry cell? What does mean by dry cell? Any guesses? Dry cell, it's a small battery which gives energy to small things. Tell me, what are the things in which things we can insert the dry cell? Any guesses? Yes, it's right. First, remote and then games. I mean, toys. In these small things, we can insert a dry cell that gives energy to a small things. Now let's see the construction and working of the dry cell. Think this is a battery. Actually, this battery is coated with a zinc metal. Why zinc metal? We have many metals இல்லையா ஏன் zinc metal மட்டும் வச்சு they are coating the battery. Not only the battery, ஷிப்ஸை கூட பெரிய பெரிய ஷிப்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா அந்த ஷிப்ஸை கூடவே they are coating with the zinc metal. ஏன் why? Because zinc avoid rusting. அதனால தான் they are using the zinc metal in every things. Okay, now this battery also contains a carbon rod which will be in a black color. This carbon rod acts as a electrode. What is by electrode? Electrode na it's a metal part through which the electricity enters and leaves. That is called electrode. And we also have a fluid things which is present inside the battery. What are the fluid thing? Not will be in a fluid thing. Actually, it will be in a paste form. What are the paste which is present inside the battery? Two paste are, one is ammonium chloride and the other is zinc chloride. Ammonium chloride actually it acts as a electrolyte here. What do you mean by electrolyte? Electrolyte na is a substance through which the electricity passes. It's called electrolyte. Here the ammonium chloride acts as an electrolyte. And what's the working of the zinc chloride? What it is doing there? It work of zinc chloride is it protects the moistness of the paste. That is the that's the work of the zinc chloride. And then we also have a muslin bag. What do you mean by muslin? It's a fabric cotton, one type of fabric cotton. This muslin bag contains manganese dioxide and charcoal, which is around the carbon rod. See, this is a whole construction of a dry cell. First, we saw a zinc code, which is coded outside the battery, and then we saw a carbon rod, which acts as an electrode, and then we saw a paste. There are two types of two paste. One is zinc chloride and the other is ammonium chloride. And we also saw the muslin bag which contains a charcoal and the manganese dioxide. Now let's see the working of the dry cell, how it works. First, let's see an example and then we will move to the real working. See, here we have test paper plus teacher. Now both are going to react with each other. Now you got 0 out of 20. What will happen? Immediately the teacher will complain to your mother. The information goes to your mother, and then what will your mother do? she will become angry, right? And then the information goes to your father. What happens now? The reflection will reflect on you. This is how the dry cell works. First, the chemicals inside the battery reacts with each other. That is, the paper and the teacher, they are reacting with each other. And then the information goes to the mother. That is, these reactions which is reacted with each other creates an electricity. And then the electricity passes through a thing. Here the father is considered as a thing. I mean, here we are taken touch as an example. The electricity passes through the touch and it reflects, like daddy reflects on you. This is how the dry cell works. Okay, today we saw our construction and the working of the dry cell. Everyone understood, right? Thank you for watching this video.